Hey everybody, welcome to the art program at College of DuPage. I'm David Willett, Associate Professor of Art History and one of the co-chairs of the program. Come check out our sculpture studios, including our new digital fabrication lab. And this is the interior space of our digital fabrication studio, and this is going to allow our students to work really closely with our faculty on developing digital art projects. They spend a lot of time sitting around here working through ideas, projecting their works in progress up onto the monitor hanging on the wall. So we have a ton of resources in here for students. We have a lot of hand tools that they can use to help post-process. When you come through our front door, you're going to be greeted by our really excellent lab assistant.
Hi, I'm Mac. I'm the Digital Fabrication Lab Assistant. It's my job to help students create whatever projects they're thinking of with all of our different tools here. We have a number of 3D printers, including a large format machine, the Fusion 3, and some Prusa printers over here. 3 of them so that we can be printing multiple projects at once. Across the way, we have our Universal Laser Systems laser cutter connected to a fume extraction unit, and students have been using this machine to create projects for the Digital Art 2 class.
So here we have our 48-inch by 48-inch half sheet of plywood CNC milling machine, complete with computer workstation, allows students to design and then run their projects on the CNC milling station. Right off our CNC room, we have our beautiful woodshop. This is a space in which a lot of our art students are in here using all these woodshop tools to produce new and creative kinds of art, everything from sort of decorative arts, furniture, to fine arts. Along this wall, we have 5 pieces of equipment: a spindle sander, belt sander and grinder, scroll saw, drill press, and our smaller of our 2 band saws. Over here we have a panel saw and a planer. The larger bandsaw, our beautiful Powermatic bandsaw over here, as well as a really high-end table saw. Saw stop, the saw will shut down immediately if it contacts a student's skin, so really safe piece of equipment there. All of our sculptural spaces are connected because we want students to be able to sort of move freely between digital fab, CNC, woodshop, and our main instructional space for the sculpture lab, which is right through this gate. So this is where most of the students are going to be working on their projects the majority of the time. These large butcher block tables in here give students a lot of room to work and collaborate and sort of bounce ideas off each other. We also have a critique and install, like sort of experimental install space here where students will install work to critique. But we also have our Visiting Artist Series projects, oftentimes doing work in this same area. Thanks for stopping by. I really enjoyed showing you around our sculpture studios, digital fab space, and woodshop. It's almost time for Open Lab. We got students coming in. You guys got to get out.